Hey guys, today we will talk about pharmaceutical calculations. We have this question. It says that solution contains dextrose D5, dextrose 5% in water. Another one contains D50, means dextrose 50 in water. We want to prepare solution contains dextrose 15. Its volume is 450 milli. How much milli we need to each solution? Alright, that's easy. We will answer it right now. So, as we have concentration, two concentration, dextrose 5 in water and dextrose 50 in water. Then we have dextrose 15 in water. So we'll use this equation C1 V1 plus C2 V2 equal CV. C1 will be equal 50. We will use it as multiplication, cross multiplication. So concentration, the first concentration, we will take dextrose 50 and we use it. Then we have here 15. So 50 15 minus 5 equal 10, and 50 minus 15 equal 35. So after we have this, we'll use a cross multiplication. 50 10 50 5 35. So C1 V1, as you know, 50 times 10 plus 5 times 35 equal 15 times 10 plus 35 will give us 45. So use 10 over 35, which should give us y equal 3.5 x plus y equal 450 x plus 3.5 x equal 450, 4.5 x equal 450, x equal 450 over 4.5 equal 100. 3.5 x, okay,